The horizon glows with the light of dawn as a metallic giant moves silently across a mirrored highway. Its design is unlike anything seen before, fluid, sculpted, and almost alive. The curves are organic, wrapped in polished chrome and glass that shimmer in the morning sun. This is the future of mobility, a fusion of architecture and engineering. A luxury motorhome that transcends design itself. Every inch of its aerodynamic form reflects precision. From the fluid front dome that houses panoramic glass to the sweeping rear lines that curve like the spine of a yacht, this masterpiece doesn't just move, it glides, like a dream in motion. The body's silver sheen shifts with light, flowing seamlessly from the ground up. It isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement of human ingenuity. As the door slides open, you step inside, and the future unfolds. The interior greets you with soft, warm lighting that traces the ceiling edges in golden ribbons. The first space you enter is the bedroom, an oasis of quiet sophistication. A floating bed rests at the center, its base wrapped in leather with subtle lighting underneath, making it appear as if it's hovering above the wooden floor. The walls are finished in dark matte textures contrasted with ivory bedding, while ambient light fills the room with a soft golden hue. Hidden storage compartments line the walls, merging practicality with art. A single panoramic window on one side stretches from floor to ceiling, revealing the passing landscapes like a living canvas. Here, mornings feel poetic, the first light spilling across the bed as the world moves silently outside. Just beyond, the dressing area invites you in with its minimalist elegance. Black lacquered wardrobes reflect the glow of recessed lighting, and gold handles shimmer like jewelry. A soft stool rests beneath a backlit mirror, creating a vanity space that feels both private and luxurious. Every drawer opens soundlessly, every hinge feels weightless, everything crafted for ease and beauty. The reflection in the mirror captures both you and the light, soft, controlled, flawless. This is not just a dressing space, it's a sanctuary of precision and calm. You continue forward, stepping into the kitchen and dining area. Compact yet refined, it embodies luxury in every angle. Matte black cabinetry blends with brushed gold edges, and the marble countertop carries a faint amber undertone that glows under the lights. The stove, sink, and integrated refrigerator are seamlessly built in, maintaining the clean lines. A narrow window lets in gentle daylight that balances perfectly with the warm tones inside. Opposite the counter sits a sleek dining nook, two cushioned benches framing a black table accented in gold. A small vase with flowers sits in the center, beside a single glass of wine. It's a setting of intimacy and design, a place where minimalism meets emotion, and even the smallest meal feels refined. Just past the kitchen lies the small lounge, designed for comfort and quiet moments. Curved seating flows along the walls, wrapped in soft gray upholstery with underlighting that creates a floating effect. A glossy black coffee table sits at the center, reflecting the warm ceiling lights like liquid gold. The walls are sound insulated and framed with horizontal slats that give depth and texture. This is where movement slows, where you sip your coffee, read, or simply watch the scenery glide by through panoramic glass. The atmosphere is cinematic, intimate, quiet, and deeply personal. From the lounge, you enter the compact office, a study built for the traveler who carries ambition wherever they go. The desk is slim, crafted from matte graphite and gold trim, with a built-in digital console that disappears when not in use. A leather chair faces a broad window that reveals endless horizons. This is where ideas are born, where work feels effortless, and where focus meets serenity. The air is calm, the lighting soft but precise, and everything, from the integrated speakers to the concealed storage, is designed for flow and thought. You can hold meetings, write, or simply look out at the world and feel that this moving home understands the rhythm of your mind. Now, as you move toward the rear, you arrive at the bathroom, where design and wellness converge. The walls are paneled in deep stone gray textures with brushed gold accents outlining every edge. The lighting is hidden within recesses, creating a diffused golden aura. The mirror glows softly, the faucet is sculpted from brass, and the sink rests atop a black marble slab that gleams with perfection. The shower enclosure stands tall, framed in glass with wooden tones running vertically behind it, evoking a spa atmosphere. The rainfall shower releases a soothing mist illuminated by golden light. It's more than a bathroom, it's a reset zone. And then, just beyond it, lies the mini pool, a compact spa built into the floor, shaped with smooth, organic curves. The water glows faintly amber under integrated LED strips, mirroring the golden accents that run through the rest of the motorhome. The air is warm, and the silence here feels sacred. Imagine watching rainfall or starlight through that glass while immersed in warmth and stillness. It's a perfect harmony between travel and tranquility, the kind of peace that only luxury can craft. Next, you step into the gym area, minimal, sleek, and efficient. It's designed for those who value strength strength even on the move. A treadmill and a stationary bike line one wall, both in matte black finish with gold trim controls. A compact dumbbell rack gleams softly under the ambient light. The ceiling strips glow in linear symmetry, giving the space a futuristic edge. Large windows flood the gym with natural light, turning every workout into a visual experience, yet remain within your own moving sanctuary. And then comes the cockpit, the control heart of this magnificent creation. The design is futuristic yet intimate. The steering console curves around like an aircraft cockpit, with displays seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. The leather seats are sculpted for comfort, illuminated by amber edge lighting that glows gently at night. Every control responds to touch or voice. Driving this motorhome feels less like operating a vehicle and more like commanding a vessel across time. The panoramic glass dome above gives an unbroken view of the skies, whether beneath sunrise gold or the dark indigo of night. Its serenity wrapped in power, the perfect fusion of control and calm. As you return your gaze to the exterior, the magnificence of the design takes hold again. The structure stands tall, its dual-level architecture a balance of strength and beauty. The lower level, with its sweeping glass arcs, creates an uninterrupted view from inside, while the upper deck features a terrace with sun loungers and umbrellas, a private retreat for sunsets and skies. At night, the body illuminates with subtle light bands that trace its curves, transforming it into a moving sculpture of light. Every wheel, every contour, every reflection is built with intention. This isn't a vehicle for the ordinary traveler. It's for the visionary, for the one who refuses to compromise between freedom and luxury. The estimated value runs into the millions, though its true worth lies in what it represents, the pinnacle of innovation, craftsmanship, and comfort. It's a declaration that the journey can be as extraordinary as the destination. The design incorporates advanced materials, sustainable systems, and smart AI features that adjust lighting, climate, and even driving dynamics automatically. Every kilometer driven feels like progress, not just on the road, but in design itself. As the sun sets and its metallic surface begins to mirror the orange glow of dusk, the motorhome moves again, silent, commanding, alive. It passes through landscapes that shift from city skylines to open plains, reflecting everything and belonging everywhere. This is not just a motorhome, it's the world's most luxurious expression of movement. So when the journey calls, and the horizon whispers, remember, this is the vehicle that redefines what it means to travel, where home isn't a place, but a feeling that moves with you. Subscribe now, and step into the future of luxury on wheels, where art, motion, and life converge as one.